Audi e-tron GT. It's a car we've been looking forward to for a very long time. It's arguably one of the best looking Audis, and based on Porsche's Taycan architecture, it's a serious performance car that offers both luxury and performance. The one we have today is the 350 kilowatt quattro version, and I myself enjoy big fast saloons, and this is a 4-door coupe style car, so it's quite long, almost 5 meters in length, but it's quite cozy inside. We sit quite low, it's relatively narrow inside, it's got a steeply raked roof to give you that coupe design, and we'll show you a shot a bit later. If you look closer, you actually see a bit of a 911 silhouette. So I think on the looks front, this is a very special car that turns heads. However, it's actually on the inside regular Audi, and Audi is at the top of their game when it comes to interiors. We have a gorgeous leather wrapped steering wheel, the Audi MMI system, which is touch with haptic feedback, a digital driver's display, which is slightly different in terms of its design compared to other Audis with the technology, but it really is very familiar, easy to use. We got our scroll wheels on the steering wheel, and being an electric car, it's naturally very quiet. However, I haven't decided on my mind quite yet. The noise that this car produces is synthetic. There are speakers that play sort of engine sounds inside, and it makes a noise on the outside to alert pedestrians, so you don't scare anyone just by arriving silently, you know, when folks are trying to cross the road. If I had it my way, I would maybe prefer to have some customization to the sound, because it's all digital. So if I could have, you know, a quattro 5-cylinder noise, I would have that, or I'd have no sound at all. You know, I really want to relax and enjoy the comfortable ride. It's on air suspension. We drove up quite a rough gravel road to get where we are right now, so I just jacked the suspension up and we didn't scrape the nose. Before that, I did actually hear the belly of the vehicle touch the ground. Costing 2.7 million rand, it is an expensive vehicle, but electric cars in South Africa are positioned to very wealthy folks, because it isn't going to be your only car unless you really do short distances. But this is a GT car. It's the type of car that you need to get out onto the open road to experience. So let's go for a drive and see what it's like. Once on the move, you realize that there is a mechanical sound coming from the motors. That's in comfort mode, where the synthetic sound is subdued. And if I put it into dynamic mode, it starts to play a deeper hum. And obviously on the driving select individual mode, you can change your sound. However, we're on quite a rough back road at the moment, filled with potholes and ripples and ridges, and we are on air suspension. I have it in comfort mode at the moment, and the vehicle's doing perfectly fine to soak up the bumps. This, you can feel it has serious sports car intentions. Just slowing down for a speed bump, and off we go. This is, the power is quite smooth and easy to put down. I'm putting, like, I don't know, 5% throttle at the moment, and we're already doing 55, 63, 65 from coming off that speed bump. And that's really what the electric vehicle is about. It's about that instant torque. It's about pulling away effortlessly, and this car has 350 kilowatts and 630 Newton meters. With an overboost function. So when you put it in dynamic mode, you leave your foot on the brake, you smash the throttle for about 30 seconds, release the brake, you get 390 kilowatts for about 10 seconds, which is a serious amount of power to go to all four wheels.